Today we will study about stereoisomerism. Stereoisomerism is of the two types, that is geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. For geometrical isomerism, compound should have restricted rotation, that is not free rotation. Restricted rotation is shown by either substituted alkene or substituted cyclic compound. In case of alicyclic, and another example for the coordination compound. Coordination compounds are also cyclic compound. So for geometrical isomerism, we have two conditions. First, compound must have restricted rotation, and second, two senior-most group should be lie either in same plane or in opposite plane. If two senior-most group present in same plane, either above the plane or below the plane, then isomer is regarded as cis. And when two senior-most groups are at 180 degree, when two senior-most groups are opposite to each other in opposite plane, one above the plane while other below the plane, then isomer is regarded as trans. In case of coordination compound having coordination number 2, coordination number 2, that is ESP hybridization. Its shape is linear, not cyclic. So such compound does not show geometrical isomerism. For coordination number 3, for coordination number 3, ESP2 hybridization, shape trigonal planar. Structure is cyclic, but we are unable to find two senior-most group lie present in same plane or in opposite plane, because in this case only 3 ligands are present. So coordination compound having the coordination number 3, that is sp2 hybridization, will not show geometrical isomerism in spite of cyclic structure. For coordination number 4, we have either sp3 hybridization tetrahedral or dsp2 hybridization square planar. The compound having tetrahedral shape will not show geometrical isomerism. It is why? Because distance of vertices from the center are always same in all possible directions. So tetrahedral coordination compound does not show geometrical isomerism. Square planar complex exists geometrical isomerism. It will show geometrical isomerism. For coordination number 5, that is dsp3 or sp3d, shape trigonal, bipyramidal. Will not show geometrical isomery. Compound having coordination number 6, either sp3d2 or d2sp3, both show geometrical isomery. Geometrical isomery. Especially we have to study geometrical isomerism for the coordination number 4, particularly square planar complex, and for coordination number 6, that is for octahedral complex. Among various coordination compound, square planar complex and octahedral complex both are capable to represent geometrical isomery, remaining do not. So I am going to start the configuration for the geometrical isomerism for cis and trans isomer. Geometrical isomerism for coordination number 4. Coordination number 4, that is for square planar complex. Square planar complex. The compound of the type MA4. MA4 means all the 4 ligands are of the similar kind, and compound MA3B. A and B both are ligands if 3 ligands are similar and 1 ligand is not similar. If such a condition exists, then square planar complex would be unable to show geometrical isomery. The compound in the case of square planar complexes, complex of the type MA4, that is having all the 4 similar ligands, and compounds of the type MA3B means out of 4 ligands, 3 ligands are similar. Then such compounds will not show geometrical isomery. Remaining will show the compound of the type MA2B2. Out of 4 ligands, 2 ligands are similar and other 2 ligands are also similar. Compounds of the type MA2BC, 2 ligands are similar and remaining 2 ligands are different. M means metal. A, B, C, D. All the 4 ligands are dissimilar. The third type of compound show geometrical isomery. Square planar complex of the type MA4 Mi3p do not show geometrical isomery. Now let us consider nickel tetracarbonate Ni or nickel tetracyanidonickilate second anion. So here all ligands are of the one kind. Coordination number is 4. Oxidation state +2. Hybridization DsP2. Shape square planar. But all the ligands are of the similar type. Here 4 cyanides are present. So it belongs to this Mi4 type. It will not show geometrical isomery. Remaining that is Ma2B2 type, Ma2BC type, MABCD type. So geometrical isomerism. Now example, Ni Cn twice Cl2 -2. Here two types of ligands present. One kind belong to the cyanide and another kind belong to the chloride. Now we have to check which one will be senior most. For this we will compare on the basis of either on the basis of atomic number or on the basis of atomic mass. In case of neutral ligand, that is for molecule, comparison is done on the basis of molar mass. The mass of chlorine 35.5 and here carbon nitrogen are all together. The mass of cyanide, mass of carbon 12 and mass of nitrogen 14. So 12 plus 14 26 and for chlorine atomic mass 35.5. So here on the basis of atomic mass chloride will be taken as senior most ligand. So if senior most ligands present in same plane, either above the plane or below the plane, then isomer is regarded as cis. And if senior most species present opposite to each other, that is in opposite plane, one above the plane while other below the plane, then isomer is regarded as trans. So now we will define its configuration. We will show its configuration in the term of cis and trans. Ni plus 2 n I plus 2 n I plus 2 Cl minus cyanide. This may be also represented as Cl minus cyanide. It may be also written as Cl minus Cl minus. It may be also written as Cl minus on the basis of mass of chlorine is 35.5 and mass of cyanide is 12 for carbon and 14 for nitrogen, that is 26. So on the basis of mass, chloride is senior most ligand. So here senior most group lie in the same plane. Here both chloride present above the plane. Here both chloride present below the plane. In this case, both chloride present on right hand side. In this, both chloride present all together in the left hand side. In this situation, all the four configurations are regarded as Cs. This is Cs, this is also the case of Cs, this is Cs and this is Cs. For this, four Cis isomers are possible. Cis, 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 this is also Cis, this is also Cis. And if senior most, that is both chlorides are present at 180 degree, one chloride here, one chloride here, or one chloride here, one chloride here, in diagonal relationship, opposite to each other, then isomer would be regarded as trans. In this case, all the four configurations are belong to the Cis. The four Cis isomer and two trans isomer are possible. Now for trans, n I plus 2 Cl minus Cl minus Cl minus Cl minus. Cl minus Cl minus Cl minus Cl minus. So here senior most ligand, that is chloride, present at 180 degree, that is in diagonal relationship, one above the plane while other below the plane. In this case, one chloride present above the plane while other below the plane, that is at 180 degree in diagonal relationship. Hence both configurations belong to the trans. So this is trans and this is also trans. Next example for coordination number 6. For coordination number 6. That is octahedral complex. Octahedral complex. Compound of the type Mi6 and Mi5b do not show geometrical isomery. If all the 6 ligands are similar or 5 ligands are similar, then octahedral complex will unable to show geometrical isomery. It is why? Because we may be not decide. We will be unable to decide the 2 senior-most group. For decision of isomer, it is essential that we have must 2 senior-most group. On the basis of that presence, we may easily judge whether it is case of cis and whether it is case of trans. So in case of Mi6 type, we will remain failure to identify 2 senior-most group. Similarly, in the case of Mi5b, we will remain failure to identify, to recognize 2 senior-most ligands, 2 senior-most group. So these types of octahedral complexes do not show geometrical isomery. Remaining are capable to show. Cr H2O whole 4 NH3 twice plus 3. So here 2 types of ligands present, water and ammonia. Both are neutral ligand, both are molecular ligand. The molar mass of water is 18 and molar mass of ammonia is 17. On the basis of this, we may easily judge 2 senior-most ligands or 2 senior-most species. Next example, H2O whole twice, NH3 twice, CO twice. So here there are 3 types of ligands. All the 3 ligands are molecular ligand, that is neutral ligands. So we will decide senior most ligand on the basis of molar mass. So molar mass of water 18, molar mass of ammonia 17, and molar mass of carbon monoxide 28. On the basis of these, we may easily judge which ligand is or which ligands are in senior most category. Now look at configuration. F5 plus 2 H2O H2O NH3 NH3 CO CO. Here senior most group is CO, and CO present at 180, that is one carbon monoxide above the plane while another below the plane, thus it will be trans. Another possible configuration, F5 plus 2 one carbon monoxide at this and while other at this. Ammonia H2O H2O. It is also trans. It may be also written as central atom carbon monoxide ammonia water. So here senior most ligand, that is carbon monoxide, one carbon monoxide present above the plane while other carbon monoxide present below the plane. Hence it will be also trans isomer. So here there are three trans. In octahedral complexes, three trans isomers exist. Trans, this is also trans, and this is trans. Now we will see the possibility of cis isomer in this compound. How many cis isomer may form? Central atom, second case central atom. Third case, central letter. For fourth case, for fifth case, central letter. As you know, for cis isomer, both the senior-most ligands present in the same place. So here our senior-most ligand is carbon monoxide, which has been obtained on the basis of comparative study of molar mass. Because all the available ligands are neutral, that is molecular ligands here. So if both carbon monoxide present in same place, are like this, are like this, are like this, are like this, are like this. All these configuration so cis isomer. Remaining four ligands may be set up at either place. We have to pay your individual attention at two senior-most ligands. Either both senior-most ligands are of the same kind or another kind. But you have to check two senior-most group always for the selection of cis and trans isomer. So here both senior-most ligands are the same kind. In other example, it may be both senior groups are not of the same kind. In that case, we check which is first senior and which one is second senior. So on the basis of senior most, we will choose and we represent them at the possibility. Remaining ligands may be set at any location, at any position. So you may write here ammonia or water. It will depend on you. Ammonia and water molecule may be set up at either remaining position. Ammonia, ammonia, water, 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 ammonia, water, ammonia. You may write here ammonia or water. You are free to write anyone. Foundation is only for the senior mode. For other no foundation. Ammonia, water, or further ammonia. For this, water, water, ammonia, ammonia. For this, ammonia, water, both ammonia or both water. You may write here water or ammonia, you are free to write. Here you may write water, here water or ammonia, here ammonia or water. Thus, all these 6 possibilities are responsible for the C's. This is C's, this is C's, this is also C's, this is C's, this is C's, this is C's. These all configurations are C's. C's, 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 C's. This is also C's, C's. In octahedral complexes, total 9 isomers are possible. 3 for trans and 6 for the C's. So there are 6 isomers. And now for the optical isomerism. As you know, when plain polarized light is allowed to fall at the solution of optically active compound begins to rotate the plane of polarized light either in clockwise direction or in anti-clockwise direction. In former case, that is when plane of polarized light is rotated in clockwise direction, isomer is said to be dextrorotatory and represented by D, either small d or capital D. On other hand, in a latter case, if optically active compound is capable to rotate the plane of incident polarized light in anti-clockwise direction, then isomer is regarded as LIGO-rotatory and represented by capital L or by small l. Coordination compound having chelating agent. If ligand is chelating ligand means those polydentate ligands which may capable to surrounded the central atom like cage. Cage means a special type of container in which birds are kept for protection. So those polydentate ligands, polydentate means any ligand having capacity to form coordinate bond more than one. Any ligand that may form more than one coordinate bond are known as polydentate ligands. So those polydentate ligands that are capable to surround the central atom like cage, then that polydentate ligand is especially known as chelating ligand or chelating agent. So in the case of chelation, when chelation present in coordination compound, then compound becomes able to rotate the plane of polarized light either in clockwise direction or in anti-clockwise direction. On the basis of these two types of optical isomer, that is dextrorotatory and LIGO-rotatory, are obtained. coordination optical isomerism, coordination compound, having chelating agent, that is polydentate ligand. Is capable to rotate the plane of polarized light either in clockwise direction, or in anti-clockwise direction. Informer it is means compound is known as retrorotatory and called D-isomer, while in later, that is in anti-clockwise case, isomer is said to be LIGO-rotatory and represented by ER. Glyoxine, shorthand notation GLY, EDTA, ethylene diamine tetraacetate, oxalate, ethylene diamine, ethylene diamine, represented by ER. are chelating ligand. Now configuration for the D and L. Configuration for retrorotatory and levorotatory. CR plus 3 ER ethylene diamine CR plus 3 ethylene diamine, it is monodentate ligand. Its configuration is anti-clockwise. Being in clockwise rotation, it will be known as D isomer. Dextrorotatory isomer, and it is levorotatory L isomer.